Bye-bye Manila.
See you again. Walang pila, pwede na dito.
So, pa-check-in na kami mga kois. Dito na kami sa airport.
Okay na po sir, pila na po tayo.
Okay na po to ma'am?
Pwede na po pumila sir.
Thank you po. Nga, may basurahan doon. Hawakan mo muna. Matatanggal din yan ma'am. Ito yung escalator na ano ba koy, pataas mga koys. Hindi pa akyat, ano lang, straight lang siya. Oh, di ba?
Dagan.
Dito nyo lang siya
Dagan ko.
kita sa Terminal 3 Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Ito yung hinanap namin yung gate namin mga kois. Yung gate namin, gate number 19. So ito na yung gate natin. Yan. So dito tayo maghantay sa ating aeroplano. Thank you po. Tayo na po. So, hi mga kois. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat dyan. So, ngayon papunta na kami ng aming aeroplano. Pa-boarding na kami mga kois. Pauwi na kami ng Cebu.
Tagalog kami kaya kami Manila.
Oh, Tagalog po kami. Kasi nandito po kami sa Manila mga kois. Sabi daw ni Tite. Eh sa bote, huwag tite. Yung bata na po mga kois. Hi baby. Ayan, nandito na. Ayan na, malapit na. Papasok na tayo sa aeroplano mga kois. Ipakita ko sa iyo yung mga nasa loob ng airplane. Tite, okay, nagtikang na si Tite. Magandang gabi po. Maying gabi eh. So, ito yung sa loob ng airplane mga kois. Anong number natin, Te? Ha? 38. 38C. So, sige, doon tayo sa dulo. Ayun, bata.
Dari ka boy?
38. 38. Daming bakante mga koiso. 38C. So, hinahanap pa namin yung number namin mga kois. Magandang gabi po. 38C. Sige, doon pa sa dulo, te. Doon pa sa dulo.
Last year, kaya itong yata. Sige, nakapong. Wala tayo na-outgrown na itong abort.
38. Saan? 38. Dara to ah.
Tara, BBC.
C.
Si.
B. E.
Di.
So ako mauna, ikaw.
Ako namin. Ikaw mo.
Ako una, mag-video ko.
Okay, una. Sige.
Sige, ako mauna umupo mga kois ha.
Aircraft is being refueled. As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt and put your seat back upright. Use of electronic devices such as laptops, mobile phones, tablets, and any
Dito na kami sa loob, mga boys.
is not. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in case of emergency, please ask the cabin crew to receive you. Sa mga panauhing nakaupo sa exit rows, basahin po lamang ang passenger briefing card. Kung sa inyong palagay ay hindi nyo magagampanan ang mga panuntunan ng exit row, ipagbigay alam sa inyong cabin crew. Allowed. Smoking is strictly prohibited.
Sige tayo, upo ka na te. Dito kami sa dulo. Dito sa likod. Yan. So, see you in Mactan, Cebu International Airport.
Your seat is provided with a seatbelt to fasten cushions together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end and to unfasten lift up a buckle and pull free end to release. In case of a water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip the vest over the head, then take tape around the waist and cushions to buckle. Then pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull the inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by the means of the red tube blow to increase air and the push buttons in order to release air. Light will automatically illuminates once the battery tab is immersed in water. Do not inflate the vest inside the aircraft, and please be reminded that the unauthorized removal of blankets from the aircraft constitutes theft and it's punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you. Remove your face mask, then put the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Then keep it on until you're advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you through the exits. For further information, please refer to our passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. And this aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There's also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself.
We are about to take off. Fasten seatbelts securely, keep window shades open, and tray tables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
landing na to. So yan po ang Sisilix mga guys, you know. Yung third bridge. Welcome to Cebu.
Hello everyone, we have just landed Mactan Cebu International Airport. Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Mactan Cebu here in Lapu-Lapu City. Muli po kalalapag po lamang natin sa paliparang pagdaigdig ng Mactan Cebu. Maligayang pagdating sa Cebu City. Your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight deck crew Captain Mendoza and able assisted by First Officer Barbosa, and together with your in-flight cabin crew team of this flight, would like to thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your headquarter movements. It was truly indeed our pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying with Cebu Pacific.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo, hintay matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang iyong mga kagamitan. Inaasahan po namin yung maayos na pagsunod. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan ug maayong pag-abot sa Mactan Cebu. Thank you so much for waiting. It is now safe here to stand and get your bags. Maaari na po kayong tumayo.
Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific. City, sigtanaw sa flight attendant mga guys, no? Diba pati? Sigag tanawa na ano. Nandito na kami sa Cebu International Airport. So, padong namin gawas mga guys. Oops! So, thank you for flying Pacific. Ha? Oh. Buwat kami sa mga guys sa mga bagahe. Mabot na ito rin kalit. Tuyo ko na daw. Come on. Wow, ikaw eh. Buwan ang bag mo guys. Napa mo ipabot ma'am? Kuwawap ayun. Ano mo ma'am? Burnout. Ano nangyari? Kira yung sa akin bag dong. Ano, ito apa na?
Ay, ito pre.
Oh, yung sunod ako ang bag. Kena usah. Kena. Kena usah dah. Kena usah dah. Anak. Okay. So, nakuha na mo ang baggage. Sana all na ay masugat. Wah, man. Wah, may nisugat mga kuys. Wah, ayun. Dengan nag-abang dari mga kuys, oh.